Hi guys, I am Akansha Sahgal and welcome to day 25 of Vlogmas 2020. And no, it's not December 25th, it's December 21st. We just started the Vlogmas a little early, but yeah, it's December 21st and it's 4 p.m. right now, and I have taken an off today. Basically, it's not an off because I have assignments to complete and I have some work commitments to complete, but I just took an off in terms of shooting the video, shooting a vlogmas, and also in terms of taking new orders and stuff like that. So in that terms I have taken an off because I just wanted that because of the a lot of assignments are going on and stuff like that, so I just felt like let's take a day off. And yes, that's what we are doing, but I thought I'll just come here and tell you guys that today is an off day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with some new things. And yeah. Hi guys, welcome to day 27 of Vlogmas 2020, and it's December 23rd, and let me just adjust the light first. Okay, so I adjusted the light, but yes. So for today's video, I'm going to be taking the questions that you guys have sent me on my previous YouTube video, as well as I shared a post related to this on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on my Instagram, make sure you follow me there because I share a lot of behind the scenes there. And yes, so first coming to today's agenda, like what I did, I completed few of the orders. That is what I was doing, and then I thought that for today's video, let's just sit and answer your questions directly because I don't want this video to be very long. And tomorrow, in tomorrow's video, like the video I'll be shooting today, I mean it's 23rd, but the video I'll be shooting tomorrow, like you get the point. So in that video I'll be discussing my vlogmas experience. Was it good, bad, what I learned, and everything about it. So if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you're subscribing to my channel so that you get the notification of the new video and know what my experience was. And yes, now let's just directly get into answering your questions without any further ado. So I have my phone here and we'll just start answering your questions, and these questions are not in any particular order. So the first question is, how do you manage between being a student, running your own business, and YouTube channel? So some days it's very tiring and it becomes very overwhelming, and there are actually some days where I just feel like I don't want to do anything because I'm so tired. But I have scheduled my things in a way that I get sufficient time for everything. And having your own business gives you the freedom of taking orders in the way you want. Like whenever it's convenient for you, you can take orders accordingly. So that's a big plus point for me in my business, that if I feel that I am overburdened with a lot of other things, I stop the orders for a particular period of time. And yeah, sometimes it gets very tiring and stuff, but I try and schedule things in a way that everything is not clashing with each other. My YouTube videos are mostly scheduled for Monday and Thursday, so that's not that much tiring because I batch film my content, so it makes things easier for me. But yes, some days it actually becomes tiring. So the next question is, what do your parents, family or extended family think of your channel? My parents are very supportive. They are very, very supportive. My extended family, my close family is also very supportive, touch wood. But yeah, they are very supportive about this, and they always keep cheering me, supporting me, watch my videos, comment on my videos, and I'm really thankful about that. I've discussed about this in my 0 to 100 subscribers video as well, that my family and friends have been my biggest support during my initial days of YouTube, and still they are my biggest support. Even if they are not active enough on YouTube in terms of commenting, but they do watch my videos. My dad is my biggest supporter. Yeah. So the next question: do you have a craft which turned into a disaster? I've had plenty. Like the person is saying, if you are a crafter and you don't have a disaster, you are lying. You are definitely lying. मेरे काफी ज़्यादा disasters हुए हैं. It's like especially during the initial days, and like especially when you're trying out something new, disasters are bound to happen, and like it's inherent for crafters to have disasters in their ideas, work and stuff like that. So yeah, I've had plenty of them too. The next question is some easy and quick gift ideas for someone who's inexperienced in craft like me. So like you want to make something, you can go for very easy cards. Cards are very easy to make. Then and I have few tutorials on my channel as well. Like all the tutorials that I have on my channel are very beginners kind of thing, like anyone can make easily. So do check that playlist out. I would suggest that to you. But yeah, cards are the easiest to make, like if you are just starting out, so you can go for the cards. And I mean, scrapbooks are also easy to make if you want to. And I am thinking of coming up with a very easy scrapbook tutorial. I have to shoot for that and I'll see how it goes. But yeah, next question. Something about Wonder Wheel, how you started, how it is running, any problems you faced, and so on. Okay, so how I started, okay, so when I started with Wonder Wheel store, I announced that here on YouTube as well. I have a video on that and I'll link that video here in the description box below. But my business, Fashion and Fiesta, I was operating through Instagram and Facebook only. And I found this site, Wonder Wheel store, and they are basically an e-commerce platform that provides a platform for your business so that you can create your own shop there and sell your products under your name. So I opened up my shop there as well, and that was because obviously Instagram and Facebook are not sufficient enough to run your business in this digital world. So I obviously needed some more platforms where I can showcase my products. So that is how I enrolled on Wonder Wheel. And the next question in this is only how it is running. It is running okay, not that good, not that bad, but yes, definitely it has helped my business in getting more traction, and yes, getting more orders as well. Problems till now, no. The team of Wonder Wheel is very supportive, and they are very supportive in terms of promoting your business as well. Like I have not faced any problems yet. So I have a bunch of questions now. First is why did you start YouTube channel? I have discussed about this in one of my previous Q&A as well. It was solely to support my business initially. Like I was putting up videos on my business Instagram page, and my friends said that you should start a YouTube channel, and I did. And now I am doing it to promote my business, but now it's more of like a fun thing for me to know this community of mine, know all of you and the love that you all shower on me. So yeah, initial motive was that, but it has changed over time. It is now more of a fun thing for me, and you know, to get to know all you lovely people out there. Now that's my main aim for this channel. So the next question in this is, One weird thing about yourself. Weird thing, I don't know. I think my friends and family can tell this better. The next question is, इसके अलावा आगे के क्या plans हैं? आगे के plans are basically, right now I have to finish my college first. I'm doing my post graduation, so I have to finish that first, and after that obviously I'll be focusing on my business. Like, that will be my first priority, but let's see how things goes. Next question in this only is, हम रात को सोते क्यों हैं? You're working whole day, आप थक जाते हैं, आप सो जाते हैं. Like, some people don't sleep at night as well. Like, I don't have the answer to this. I don't. So next question is, where do you get all the stuff related to the DIYs you are sharing with us? So I asked a clarification on this, like related to ideas or the materials. So it was both. So let's talk about materials first. So mostly I get it from my nearby markets. Other than that, I have few Instagram stores from where I purchase my craft supplies, and I have mentioned about those stores in a lot of my unboxing videos and haul videos. So yeah, you can check those videos out to know about the links of the stores. And more than that, I buy from my local markets only. And yeah, coming to the ideas, so since I have a handmade business only, so obviously I am working on new ideas all the time. So whenever an idea strikes my mind, I like, the moment I started my YouTube channel, after few months of that, I made sure that whenever I am making anything new or trying anything new, I start shooting that thing so that it can convert as a content for my YouTube as well. Apart from that, I take my inspiration from Pinterest and other artists that are there, a lot of other artists on YouTube itself. So I watch a lot of videos, follow a lot of different artists on Instagram. So I take inspiration from their work. Now, let me be very clear on this. I always take inspiration and I see how I can change anything in that particular thing that they have done. So I take inspiration from there, and then I create something of my own. So that is the answer to both the things. Next question is, क्या आपकी टूथपेस्ट में नमक है? नहीं. Where are you from? I am from Delhi. Okay, second last question. Oh my god, we are done. Second last question is, college कब खुलेगा? This is from one of my college friends and मुझे नहीं पता. Last is time management. So this again is from one of my craziest friend, and I knew she is going to say this thing because we were having a discussion about this, like how do you manage your time and stuff like that, and I knew this was coming from her. So I try and schedule things, and I am telling you, I a lot of times miss a lot of things that are there on my to-do list. I try to manage my things. I try to manage my time. Yeah, I have a certain, like, I follow my calendars, my monthly, weekly and daily calendars. I try to follow them and then I divide the things in a way that if I know I have work commitments on some day, I'll try and not to put anything else on that day. Like college assignments, I cannot handle that, but like other things I do manage around. Like if I know I have a college assignment on a particular day, I'll not put my work commitments on that day or something like that. So I manage things like that. But yeah, like I really need to figure out this detailed thing related to this, how I manage my time. And yeah, do let me know if you guys want to know about how I do it. Like I'll try and make a detailed video on this, because I have got this question from quite a few people these days. So I'll try and make a video on that. Like, I first need to myself understand how I do it. But yeah, I'll try and make a video. And yes, this was pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And I really loved answering all your questions. And yes, Vlogmas is coming to an end, and I have asked this question in few of my previous videos as well, but yes, I am asking it again. Do let me know what kind of videos you would like to see after this Vlogmas series. And yes, that is pretty much it for today from my end, and tomorrow I will be discussing about the giveaway details, my Vlogmas experience and other things like that. And yes, this was pretty much it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Bye.